Hey, welcome back to the channel. Stick around until the end for a bonus tip. Today we refocusing on a joint that often gets overlooked until it starts causing pain, the elbow. Whether you're lifting, typing, or just doing everyday tasks, your elbows work hard for you. So let's dive into 10 powerful tips to keep your elbows strong, flexible, and pain-free. First up, tip 1. Warm up before activity. Before you dive into exercise or sports, always warm up your elbows. Gentle arm swings, wrist rotations, and light stretches increase blood flow to the joint and surrounding muscles. This prepares your tendons and ligaments for movement, reducing the risk of strain or injury. Skipping this step can lead to unnecessary stress on your elbows. Tip 2. Strengthen supporting muscles. Your elbows rely heavily on the muscles of your forearms, biceps, and triceps for stability. Incorporating strength exercises like bicep curls, tricep dips, and forearm squeezes can help take pressure off the elbow joint. Stronger muscles mean less load directly on the joint, which reduces pain and long-term wear. Tip 3. Avoid repetitive strain. Many elbow injuries come from repetitive movements like typing, tennis swings, or heavy lifting. Try to vary your activities and take frequent breaks to rest your joints. If your job requires constant hand or arm use, small adjustments like ergonomic keyboards or proper lifting techniques can go a long way in protecting your elbows. Tip 4. Practice proper form. Incorrect lifting or exercise form is one of the biggest culprits of elbow pain. For example, locking your elbows during push-ups or lifting too heavy with poor wrist alignment puts unnecessary strain on the joint. Always focus on controlled, proper form over heavy loads to keep your elbows safe and functional. Tip 5. Stretch your elbows daily. Stretching improves flexibility and prevents stiffness. Simple moves like extending your arm and gently pulling back on your fingers stretch both the forearm and elbow. Try holding stretches for 20 to 30 seconds, a few times a day. This not only improves your range of motion, but also reduces tension and improves joint health over time. Tip 6. Strengthen grip and forearm muscles. Your grip strength is directly linked to your elbow's health. Weak grip muscles force the elbow tendons to overwork. Use exercises like squeezing a stress ball, wrist curls, or using a hand gripper. Building forearm strength provides stability, especially during pulling or lifting movements, and lowers the risk of conditions like tennis elbow. Tip 7. Use ice and heat therapy. If you notice soreness after activity, applying ice helps reduce inflammation, while heat therapy can improve blood flow and relaxation of tight muscles. Use ice for recent pain or swelling, and heat for stiffness or long-term tension. Alternating between the two is a great way to promote healing and relieve discomfort. Tip 8. Maintain healthy posture. Believe it or not, poor posture in your shoulders and upper back can affect your elbows. When your shoulders roll forward, extra pressure is placed on your arms and elbows during daily tasks. Practicing good posture by sitting upright, keeping your shoulders relaxed, and engaging your core can indirectly improve elbow health. Tip 9. Listen to pain signals. Elbow pain is your body's way of telling you something's wrong. Don't push through sharp or persistent pain. It can lead to serious conditions like tendinitis or bursitis. If pain lasts more than a few days, rest your elbow and consider consulting a medical professional to prevent long-term damage. Tip 10. Stay hydrated and eat joint-friendly foods. Hydration and nutrition are key for joint health, including your elbows. Drinking enough water keeps your tissues flexible and lubricated. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like fish and walnuts, reduce inflammation. Collagen-rich foods and vitamin C also help strengthen tendons and connective tissue, protecting your elbows from wear and tear. Swimming, cycling, or yoga offer low-impact alternatives that engage your body without excessive elbow strain. So there you have it, 10 powerful tips to keep your elbows strong and pain-free. Remember, small daily habits can make a big difference for your long-term joint health. Bonus tip: use support when needed. Sometimes your elbows just need a little extra support, especially if you're recovering from an injury or doing repetitive tasks. Using an elbow brace or compression sleeve can provide stability, improve circulation, and reduce strain on the joint. This doesn't mean you should rely on it forever, but it can be a great short-term solution to help you recover faster and protect your elbows during demanding activities. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with someone who needs healthier elbows. Get your joint supplement in the link below.